Hey guys, my name is Amayanicole. If this is your first time seeing me, welcome. And if you're a returner, welcome back. As you seen by that title and that thumbnail, I am about to show you how to achieve this look right here for natural twist and also show you what I use to achieve this look. We're gonna get right into the video. I'm not gonna keep the intro too long, but make sure you stay to the end to see how we got to this point. Hey guys, so we're gonna start off on freshly washed hair. We'll be using a wide tooth comb, a detangler brush, some hair ties to separate your hair, a spray bottle in case your hair gets dry throughout the process, some Blue Magic coconut oil grease, and edge control, which is optional, and some leave-in conditioner to help comb through your hair. So we're gonna start off sectioning our hair out. I usually section it into 4 sections, but y'all will see that I only ended up doing 3. I was just showing y'all how my hair looked after I finished washing it, which I don't understand why my hair shrinks so bad after I wash it. I don't know. But that is what y'all will see. And then, as you see, I'm just showing you my sections and what my hair looks like at the moment. We're going to start off by using the Camille Rose leave-in conditioner. I do not use dime size amounts of anything. I use as much as I feel is necessary, and I just rub it through my hair. My hair was a little more dry and a little tangly just because I took out braids and had them in for like 2 months, so my hair was a little bit more hard to comb through. But that is what y'all will see me doing as of right now, just combing through my hair. And of course, you want to keep combing until it gets like this to where you can run your fingers through it and it's manageable. And we're going to twist up this section and tie it up. And then we're going to do the same thing that you just seen me do to every other part of my hair. And I will break that into 3 sections, which is that front ponytail. And then the other side will be 2 more parts. And that's what y'all going to see in the next couple clips. Ain't this what you came for? Don't you wish you came more? Girl, what you playing for? Come on, let me kiss that. Ooh, I know you missed that. What's wrong? Let me fix that. Twist that, baby. Okay, so now we are finally done detangling. Y'all, that took a minute, but I accidentally forgot to show y'all what I washed my hair with. So I used the Cream of Nature argan oil from Morocco intense conditioner treatment, as well as their sulfate-free moisture and shine shampoo. I like both of these, honestly, because they leave my hair soft. Like, the shampoo does not strip my hair dry. It actually moisturizes at the same time, if that makes sense. Like, it feels like it cleans, but it don't give the dryness effect of the cleaning like most shampoos do. So I do like that brand and I would recommend it. Now I will say I had a hard time detangling my hair today because I did take out braids, and then I still had like clumps of, like, you know, like the dirt build up in my hair, so it was very hard to detangle, which obviously tells me that I didn't do that good of a job washing my hair. But honestly, I try my best. Okay, I try my best. So, anyways, this is what we have at the moment. We got 4 sections, and we are about to get into the fun part, which is twisting the hair up. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do my section. I'm gonna take y'all through one section with me, and then I'll speed it up, and I'll show you the aftermath. Okay, so y'all, I'm using, this is what I'm gonna use to twist my hair up. I'm using the Blue Magic coconut oil hair conditioner one. Usually, okay, so I've never used this product specifically, like the coconut oil one. I've used Blue Magic to twist my hair, and it came out so good. So Simone just put me onto this, and I didn't even know they had one with coconut oil. They had one with argan oil, and I know that my hair tends to get dry. So we're trying the coconut oil one today, and if it turns out well, like I believe it will, because I've honestly never had a bad twist out. So, well, really just twist in general, but we gonna see how this product is. But this is what it looks like. You open it, it's literally just white. It looks like grease, literally. So I always start with my back right section for some reason. I don't know. This is just where I tend to go first every time. I do not part when I do my twist. I'm not a parter, okay? I don't have additional hour of my time to sit here and try to part my hair and make sure that it is straight and all of that. I'm not doing all that, okay? It's not that serious to me. So what I do, just pull the section out. I just pull hair, literally, like like literally I make like a little circle with my finger, and I pull the hair out for what I'm gonna twist, and this is gonna be on one. And then instead of using this band, we're gonna clip. We're gonna use this big clip, and we're gonna put it up here. Okay. And then also, I use as much product as I feel I want to use. Okay, I don't use like a certain amount. I'm not a dime size amount person. I just put it in my hair until I feel like product is all over it. Y'all, this stuff, ooh. And since it got coconut oil in it, I kind of feel like I can use as much of this as I want, because at the end of the day, it's hydrating. And y'all, just twist. Literally, you just twist. Make sure you have that product everywhere. You don't want your hair dry. Trust. I also will put wild growth oil in my hair also, but that is currently at my house right now, and I do this to the ends of every twist. I twist it just like that, and then we're gonna unclip, and we're gonna pull out another section. Now, my way it does take a little bit of time, and I'm also somebody who likes smaller twists, so I don't pull out like a lot of hair at one time, because I don't know, I like my twist to be full. I don't want you to be able to sit behind me and count my twists. Like, that's not me, okay? I don't like that. Well, we're gonna twist this. Y'all see that curl? And that's what I'm gonna do to my whole head. But I'm going to time lapse y'all, so y'all don't have to sit here for 3 hours with me. So I'm gonna time lapse, and we're gonna come back and keep watching so we can see how this Blue Magic does for this twist out, y'all. Baby, tonight, the night I let you know. Baby, tonight, the night we lose control. Baby, tonight, you need that. Tonight, believe that. Tonight, I'll be the best you ever had. I don't wanna brag, So hopefully the back is cute because I haven't looked at the back yet, but this is what it look like. I curled the bottom. Y'all can see. But I would say that this Blue Magic did very well. This is how much I use, y'all, for my hood. Yeah, you cannot see that. It's like, I don't know. You can see kinda, but that's how much I used to do my whole head, and it turned out pretty well, I will say. So I do recommend using this. My hands are super greasy. Like, yeah. But honestly, this is good for my hair. It's hydrating. I feel like I won't have to put oil in it. Well, I'm gonna put some oil on my scalp, but I'm not gonna put nothing else like on my actual hair. Um, but I don't have my wild growth at this moment. But usually that's what I would do next is put oil on my scalp. So I will be doing that. Let me know what y'all use to do y'all twist, because I would like to know. Y'all, I did show y'all this 24-hour edge tamer stuff, but I'm not gonna use this at the moment. But it is edge control. I don't put edge control or no like product on my hair right after I twist it because I feel like it looks fine. Why am I doing that? But when it starts getting old, like you can put it on your edges, but like this is how the front of my hair look after just twisting it. But I'm gonna tie it down and put a bonnet on because my hair is so greasy at the moment that I like it's getting on my face, and I'm not trying to break out for that. But this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know if y'all have tried any of these products for y'all hair, or if y'all are going to try any of these products. Any tips or tricks that I may need to know, you can let me know down below in the comments. If y'all want to see more natural hair videos, because I don't make many natural hair videos, then let me know. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like and comment, turn on the post notifications so that way you don't miss an upload. And I will see y'all in the next video. Amaya is out.